Hello dear students, let us learn this week how to make origami honeybee. For that you need marble paper, black paint or black sketch pen, thread and fevicol. So as you can see here I have done two honeybees with blue color paper and red color. I'm going to show it with yellow color right now. So for that you need a square shape marble size paper. Let us fold it into triangle. Again fold it from the other side in a triangle shape. After every fold, don't forget to press the fold with your finger. Fold it very gently, otherwise the paper will tear. Now this end you have to take it till the top. We will do the same thing with the other side as well. See, after folding, press it properly with the finger. Once this is done, now around 1 centimeter you have to mark with the pencil both the sides and just fold your paper till that point, facing towards down. Now once this is done, we will see two flaps. From that, the front flap you have to take it till down. Just fold it little bit down, press it nicely. Then we will take the other flap down. See to that you see the white color gap. Again press it gently. Now turn it around. Now this slanting line we have to take almost till the center line. Press it very gently. I am doing it from both the sides. Okay, just turn it around and see your honeybee is almost ready. Now we will give the finishing touch up. For that you need black color sketch pen. If you don't have black sketch pen, you can use black paint. I'm doing your eyes and a nice smile. I'm sure girls will do some nice eyelashes to the honeybee. And now with the black marker I am doing the stripes. You can do this with black paint also. You can also use white color paint for the eyes and then you can give a black dot inside the eye. That will also look very pretty. Or if you have googly eyes at home, you can use that as well. But you need to have very tiny googly eyes. Now once this is done, we are going to add little bit more fun to this. Okay, so now as this is done, we will add more fun to this. You need thread. So what we will do with the thread, you have to take thread at least 120 centimeter long. I can see 2 hand distance thread you can take and then fold it and just keep it ready aside. Now what we have to do, we will take fevicol. Now we have to be very careful. At this edge, the slanting line edge, you have to put very little fevicol, very little fevicol. Okay, so now just spread it with your finger and see to that there's very less Fevicol on top of that. See, Fevicol is very strong, so you did not have to put too much Fevicol. Just put very little Fevicol and spread it with your finger and just keep it aside for 2 seconds. Now what you have to do, we will take the thread and we have to place it in this way. It has to go at the edge of the slanting line. Okay, so once you put the Fevicol, now keep the thread in the center and try to keep the edge of both the side thread around the slanting line and then press the flaps. Please be very careful while putting the Fevicol. Fevicol should not come on the thread. It should be used only to intact the edges of these flaps. The thread should be able to move from top to bottom. Press it nicely, let it dry. Don't be in a hurry, let it dry. Just leave it like that. See, ensure that there's no Fevicol on your thread. Once you're done with this, ask one person to hold the two edges of the thread in one hand and the other person should hold it like a hook. And then the person who is holding the two edges has to do the thread up and down. And you will see your bee going automatically up. So now as you can see, one person is holding the two edge of the thread in his hand and there's no one to hold the other side. So I am using chair over here and you can see the thread is, I have inserted the thread from down like this. So if there's no one to play with you, you can take the help of chair and play with it. Now we will see how it will start moving. Now you have to slowly move your hands zigzag front and back and you can see the bee automatically going up. Okay, now again I am taking it over here. Do it fast. Look.